Hello, and welcome to the series of our guideline videos for healthcare professionals. In this video, we are going to discuss various queries regarding EMREE exam for different healthcare professionals in UAE, more specifically for physicians, its general requirements, in-depth look on exam itself, registration process, and lot more. These queries are: what is EMREE exam? What are the general requirements? What is EMREE exam like? Its syllabus. How to register for exam? What is the passing score? Can I reattempt to improve score? How to cancel exam? Can I apply as GP after passing EMREE? What are the exam day guidelines? This is Dr. Muhammad from Interface Medical Education, and I will try to answer all these queries in detail. So, keep watching this video till the end. I am sure that you will be able to understand many aspects related to EMREE exam requirements, its registration, and many related steps. Before starting this video, we would also like to invite you to watch many of our videos made for healthcare professionals. I will request you guys to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, to enjoy more of such informative videos in future, and of course, if you like this video then, do not hesitate to hit the like button, and send us your valuable comments. EMREE, which stands for Emirates Medical Residency Entrance Examination, previously known as EMSTREX. Required to be passed by medical, dental and pharmaceutical candidates willing to apply for residency programs available under DHA, DOH, or MOHAP health ministries in UAE. This exam is somehow more competitive than other medical licensing exams available in this region. It assesses candidates' ability to apply medical knowledge, concepts, principles, and determines fundamental clinical skills that are important in health promotion and disease prevention, which constitutes the basis of the safe and effective patient care. EMREE exam is open to all medical graduates, whether final year student or those who are currently doing house job or internship. UAE national or international medical graduate, IMGs, who meet the eligibility criteria, can register for this exam, as long as candidate has not passed 5 years since graduation year. For those who are out of practice for more than 1 year, can also take EMREE exam, but candidates with any such clinical gap, or with more than 4 years of internship, have less likely chances for getting a match in different residency programs in UAE. No exemption is given to those who have passed USMLE steps, or other international medical licensing exams. Emirates ID, which is the proof of UAE residency, is no longer required from candidates to sit for EMREE exam. Instead, one can present a valid passport. Furthermore, no IELTS, TOEFL or OET score is required for EMREE. EMREE exam for physicians consists upon 120 questions, mostly clinical cases, and lasts for 3 hours, having 4 to 5 answer choices for each, with no negative marking. These questions are divided in the following disciplines, having internal medicine questions with most weightage. These MCQs test candidates' skills related to analysis, decision-making, reasoning, and problem-solving. These questions also include some test questions, which are not intended for scoring, and additional time is given to answer such questions. It is a computer-based testing, CBT, where no computer skills are required at all. You can attempt this exam with a little bit of guidance by the testing staff at the center. To register for EMREE exam, kindly visit National Institute of Health Specialties, NIHS website. We have given the link in description section. Simply select your category. Register through providing required details. Once approved, pay the examination fee, and receive a payment receipt at your email. This exam is conducted 4 times a year, depending upon available seats, as decided by the 3 consortium members, DOH, DHA and MOHAP. Enrollment is purely on first-come first-served basis. For physicians, exam registration starts from December to March, and for non-physicians, from January to March. Therefore, it is advisable to enroll at least 2 months prior to the exam date. Exam enrollment closes when the seats are full, irrespective of the closing dates mentioned. It is advisable to take your first attempt in December, as usually, but not necessarily, questions are easy and repeated from previous years. Candidates scoring 55% or above is considered pass. It's important to understand that your passing percentage plays a significant role for residency match, due to tough competition for residency these days. Currently, candidates should target 80% or above as a competitive score, which may help you for required residency match. The result is announced in 10 working days, and emailed to candidates in only PDF format, which is accepted by all the 3 health authorities in UAE. EMREE has validity of 2 years. While compiling final results, poorly performing questions are removed, to make the examination result more meaningful and fairer to all candidates. After successfully passing EMREE, candidate can apply for any residency program offered in UAE, such as Dubai Residency Training Program, DRTP, Abu Dhabi Medical Residency Program, Tunseek, or Ministry of Health and Prevention, NIHS, Residency Program. If passed EMREE, even with low scores, then no further attempts are allowed. In case failed, then you can reattempt this exam for up to 4 times a year starting from the first attempt to obtain passing score. Those who failed the exam for 2 years after graduation have less likely chances to appear again. Your each attempt, whether pass or fail, is marked in your transcript along with the score obtained. These details are forwarded to respective health authorities as well. The more retakes you have, lesser is the chance of you getting considered by the health authorities for residency. You can't cancel the exam for any reason whatsoever. Furthermore, registration fee is non-refundable, and you cannot even change the exam date, or transfer the fee to other exam. For IMGs, it is the responsibility of the candidate to obtain the visa to appear for the exam. NIHS, or any of the health authorities in UAE, which are part of the EMREE consortium, are not responsible for candidates' visa or other traveling documentation. Yes, you can. For details, kindly watch our detailed video regarding opting for GP pathway after passing EMREE. We have provided video link here, as well as in the description section. For general guidelines, we will suggest you to watch our guideline video related to what to bring at the center, and how to prepare yourself the night before exam. More specifically for EMREE, all candidates should have a negative COVID test result, provided within 7 days of attending the exam. Candidates who arrive more than 10 minutes after the start of the exam will not be permitted to sit, whereas candidates who arrive late, but within 10 minutes will not be given additional time to complete the exam. Candidates can only sit where they are instructed, so you can't make your own sitting arrangement. Normally candidate can take a short break after obtaining the permission of the chief invigilator during first 2 hours, but not allowed during last hour. While going through a question, it is advisable that instead of reading the question from the start, it's good approach to read the last few lines first, which most of times contain essence of the whole question. Then, keeping in view the exact question, one should start reading from the beginning, which will tremendously help you to solve this question within lesser time. That's all from us. Hopefully this video will be beneficial for you, and will clarify many of your questions related to EMREE exam. Do not forget to watch many of our videos made for healthcare professionals. Hopefully, you may have liked this video. Then, do not forget to hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day, bye.